show you what we did in salsa class this week. So for our beginner lesson, we did our basic combo. Lead turn to lady turn. Lead on 1, ladies on 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead regular. Cross body lead inside turn. And then, so the move for today was a cross body lead open break. 1, 2, 3. Across 5, 6, 7. You'll back step and get the lady's hand. 1, 2, connect with the hand low, 3. And your hammer lock. Guys, you'll lift this left hand and give the lady a turn clockwise until we get in this position. Then we're going to do, it's going to be on the open break side, but it's going to be another outside turn. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Basic. And you're done with the beginner combo. All right? So now for the advanced one, we did a basic lead turn at the shoulder, changing hands like this. Pizza on the shoulder, get right to right. Cross body lead inside to the shoulder. Cross body lead outside into hammer lock. So you let that hand go and then reconnect. So now we're going to do a switch turn. So cross body, make a circle on the C to get around the lady's neck. All right. Ladies, on the 3, we have all our weight on the right foot. We can cross here if we prefer, or just be ready to step 5. But now we'll do our LA walk. 5, lift the hand 6, 7 to get out of it. LA walk, arms up. 1, 2, waist 3. Ladies, we can go down. 5, up 6, 7. Guys, reconnect on the 7 because we're about to do our 360. Ladies, we can tulip the hands down here. Open like a tulip. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Basic. And you're done. That's everything for this week. So remember to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this every week. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And we'll see you next Sunday in class. Bye, everyone.